we're explaining the undefined reference error in C++ template functions. This frustrating error pops up when the compiler can't find the definition of a function, even though you think you've provided it. The core issue stems from how C++ templates work. They're not compiled into machine code until they're actually used with specific data types. This is called template instantiation. 1. Let's say you have a template function like this. Template type name ttmaxTATB must return a b. This function finds the maximum of 2 values of any type. The compiler doesn't generate code for max until you actually call it with a specific type, such as maxint510 or max33mortine 2.71. 2. The problem arises when you declare the template function in a header file, say myfunctions.hu, but only include that header file in the files where you use the template function. If you don't also define the template function in at least one translation unit, a .cpp file that gets compiled, the compiler will see the declaration but not find the corresponding definition during the linking phase. That's when you get the dreaded undefined reference error. 3. To fix this, you need to include the definition of your template function in a .cpp file. Don't just put the template function declaration in the header file, put the entire function body there too. This ensures that when the compiler encounters a call to the template function with a specific type, e.g. int double, it can generate the appropriate machine code immediately. 4. Example: if my functions patch contains only the declaration template type name ttmaxTATB and main.cpp includes my functions patch8 and calls maxint chapter 510, the compiler will generate code for maxint, but the linker will fail because it can't find the definition. To solve this, put the entire template type name ttmaxTATB at return a b in my functions. Now both declaration and definition are in the header, and the header gets included in any CPP file which uses the function, so every file that needs that particular type will have the definition. Alternatively, you can define it in a separate .cpp file, but then you'd need to explicitly instantiate all the types you intend to use with the template, such as template int maxint int a int b, in a .cp file that's linked into your project. This explicit instantiation approach is less common and generally less convenient than defining the template function within the header file. But it's crucial to understand that the linker needs to find the machine code for the specific template version it needs. Remember, the key is ensuring that the compiler has access to the complete definition of every template function it needs to instantiate, either by placing the definition in the header or explicitly instantiating the needed versions.